Alright guys, so after saving your designs in PixelLab, you head straight to your browser and type in photopea.com. So this is the site we use to mock up the design. So you wait while the site loads, and then when it's done, at the left upper area you see the file. So you just click on that file and then click on open. So this open will lead you to your file storage where you will upload the PSD mockup. So the link to this PSD file will be on the description. So you just need to import that exact PSD file so you'll be able to mock up the logo. Right? So I'm just going to search on that exact PSD file which I want to use. And this is it. I just need to click on it, and then I'll wait while the site uploads the PSD. So as you can see, it's loading the PSD file, so we just need to wait. Sometimes this may take a while, so you just need to be patient enough. Alright, so let's wait while this will load the mockup. So while waiting, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, I upload design tutorials on graphics, on logo design, flyer design, and any design related tutorials. So you just need to subscribe and click on the notification icon so you can get notified whenever I release a new video on these said topics. Alright, so as you can see, this has loaded. So what I'll need to do is to click on layers at the right side, and then double click on this small tiny square inside this layer. So I just need to double click on it and then wait. So right now, what I will need to do is to hide the eye icon. Oh, sorry, I just need to remove this. All right, so just cancel this. This was just click this by mistake. All right. So this is what it should have brought out, something like this. Yeah, something like this. So I just need to hide, go back to layers, and then hide that eye icon. So I'll be able to upload my design here. So right now I just need to click on that same file, but this time around open and place. So this open and place will lead me to my file storage, and I'll just head straight to PixelLab and then upload the already made design which we made recently using PixelLab. So I just need to go to PixelLab this time. So I'll head to PixelLab, and I will upload the design we just made. Alright, so let's wait while it loads the design. So once it loads, you can resize to your to the exact size you want. So I would advise you to enlarge this so it will be bolder, to appear bolder. So I'll just need to enlarge it, increase it using the, as you can see, the points, the pointers at the edges of the square. Just upload. You just need to enlarge it, stretch it out so it can fit the design area. Then after that, you click on File, then save this as Smart Object. So right now we just need to wait while it saves the file as Smart Objects. So guys, as you can see, it has loaded. So what I'll do now is to to save the file, I'll just click on that same file, and then this time around export as, and then I'll choose PNG, and then a save button below, and then just click on the save button and your design is ready.